Go over Powerball 3/30/2026, Matrix 1. Trying to understand these zeros here. Okay, we had 11. These green zeros are supposed to have two numbers around it, okay? So, but it's confusing. Trying to understand it when we have a matrix with these zeros in a line like that. What does it mean? But this one here, we had 11. Okay, there's one number there, 20. Okay, that's two numbers. Okay, that's a regular Powerball. So we had two numbers, 11 and 20. And we had 31. So there's actually three numbers around these three zeros here. Okay. And then 68 was here with a double play. 31 was also here again. 31 was here again. So these two zeros combined together had two numbers, 31 and 31. Okay, and then 8, of course. 8 was our Powerball for double play, which double play screws us up. I know that. Nothing I can do about it. What I'm surprised is I didn't, this zero over here had the 41, 11, 7, okay, 7, 11, 41, 31, and 57 was also here, and 20. All our numbers were right here. Now why wasn't that green? And so I made a mistake. If I put this right there like that, have one zero pointing at it. Two zeros pointing at it. So actually, four zeros pointing at it. Now look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros pointing at this zero. And this zero should be pointing at this zero. So that should have been green the whole time. I'm learning too. All our numbers are right here at this zero, right here. And a bunch of numbers in here. But this zero here is most important. It should have been green. So all these green zeros here had two numbers or more at them, okay? That's what I'm looking at, the green zeros. Okay, this green zero had 67, 67, 67, 67. So there's four numbers. It's the same number, but there's actually four there. And it also had 8, okay? And also had 7. So 67 four times, 8 once, 7 twice. There's seven numbers around that 1 0. This zero had 41, 31. And 8, so 3 numbers around there. So our green zeros are good to go on this one, okay? Let's look at this one here. Red zero had 67, 67, 67, 68, all double play, 8. So three double play numbers, okay? This one here had 57, 57, 20, 41, and 8. So two numbers or more to green zero. This one I was sure about, but it had 67 there, and 68, of course, and 11. Wasn't sure about this one either, so it was 20 was there. This one here, 20, 20, 31. This green zero here had 20, 20, 42 double play, 29 double play, 7 double play. This is failure here. Only number we had here was 41. Now this is a 45-degree line here. It almost directly just see that zero. Should have been something there. There was nothing there. So that was a failure on that line. Okay. Not sure what else to say about it because it failed. There's nothing here. No 56. No 5. No 60. So this is a failure. This line failed me here. This zero was wrong. Had one number here. That's it. Not 2, just 1. Okay. This one here at 31, 29, and this zero here at 2 numbers on it. These two zeros. This should have just been red for one number. And this I should not have colored in at all, but I don't know that because 95% of the time, when there's a 0 on that line, there's a number there. Okay. So this one here is at 31, 41, says green 0 is okay. And this one here had 41 and 31. So try to understand these green zeros. Okay, the line goes through it, but the number was over here. Okay, 41. So these zeros here, are they combining this 31 as being a double number around these zeros? Okay, we have 31, 31 here, and 7. Good to go there, but 41. There's only one number around that, so they must be including this number here. Okay, so here we had 7, 11, 31, 41, and 20. 11 here again, this 0 here. So 2 numbers here, 1 number here, a couple numbers here. This 0 here, I said 2 or more. Green means 2 or more numbers. 11, 11, 11, okay? And 8. Wasn't sure about this one, but 20 was there. Wasn't sure about this one, but the 67 was there, and 68, 68 was there a couple times. 8 was here. And this here double play 42 was here. 8 was here. 20. 68, 68. So the only failure we had in the green zeros was right here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 green zeros. And one was wrong. This one should have been red. There's one number there, not 2. So the 18 green zeros, 2 of them were 50%. I mean, they're just, this was 50%. This is failure here. Nothing here. That was failure. So at 18, 2 were wrong. 1 was half wrong. 1 was totally wrong. Just not bad. We're still doing good, guys. And this formula here usually gives me the numbers the first couple of lines, okay? Now, the pattern changes. The formula will remain the same, but we had all the numbers right up in here, and then 3 or 4 numbers up in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and gave us all the numbers. All right. Anyway, I'll do your next Powerball coming up. Okay, I'll post this today yet. See ya.